Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and user reviews to help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in! When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a 1.7 cubic feet capacity, which can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry. In contrast, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine has a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, split between an 11 pounds washer and a 6.6 pound spin dryer. This makes the BANGSON more versatile for smaller loads, but the BLACK+DECKER is designed for a more traditional washing experience. In terms of features, the BLACK+DECKER model stands out with its 10 wash cycles, including options for delicate and bulky items, along with a transparent lid and LED display for ease of use. On the other hand, the BANGSON offers a simpler design with 3 wash modes and a 20-minute soaking function, making it user-friendly but less automated than the BLACK+DECKER. Both machines have their pros and cons. The BLACK+DECKER is heavier and pricier but offers more features and a stainless steel tub, making it a durable choice. Conversely, the BANGSON is lightweight, portable, and budget-friendly, but it requires more manual effort and has a plastic tub, which may raise durability concerns. Your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is ideal for those seeking a feature-rich and automated washing experience, while the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is perfect for those looking for a lightweight and budget-friendly option. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.